माननीय वित्त मंत्री श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमण।
I present the budget for 24-25.
Budget 2024 is here, and boy, oh boy, isn't the government shining greatly on the youth of India?
And initiatives to facilitate employment, skilling, and other opportunities for 4.1 crore youth.
Rupees 2 lakh crore over 5 years to focus on the skilling and employment of 4.1 crore youth. Comprehensive internship scheme for 1 crore youth in top 500 companies over 5 years. Employment-linked incentives including one-time wage support for first-time employees. Women-specific skilling program and increasing workforce participation. This is the moment to make the most out of it. The comprehensive internship scheme is to set open doors for 1 crore students, offering them the chance to gain real-world experience and skills in top companies over next 5 years. Government will provide internships in 1 crore youth. These interns will get rupees 5,000 as a stipend and one-time assistance of rupees 6,000 rupees. And that's not all. The government is making it easier for the companies to hire new workers by subsidizing the first month's salary for the first employee with a salary up to 1 lakh rupees per month. This encourages companies to hire freshers. It's a great upskilling budget, and NxtWave has been talking about this. We have transformed thousands of students' lives, and now the budget will furtherly accelerate the efforts of everyone working towards upskilling India and making our youth thrive in the competitive global market. All we can say now is brighter, smarter, and more prosperous India is on the horizon.